Hi everyone, my name is Coretta. A lot of things have happened this summer. Some people have been displaced as a result of floods and fires, so I thought I would share with you some of the items that I have in my grab bag, also known as a 72-hour emergency kit. So let's get started. It is recommended that each person has at minimum 2 liters of water for drinking and 2 liters of water for washing and sanitation per day. 24-pack of 500 milliliters of water would be the recommended amount per person per household. I have in my emergency kit some canned meat. Don't forget the manual can opener. Some crackers, peanut butter, protein bars, paper plates, plastic utensils, and some paper cups. Non-perishable food is recommended. So let's talk about some items that I have in my grab bag that I can use for warmth. This is a tarp, has eyelets in it. I also have some twine. So if I needed to create some shelter outdoors, I could, between the twine and the tarp, I could do so. Shower curtain liner, some garbage bags, so the garbage bag can fit over my grab bag if it's raining and I'm outside. A sleeping bag that is portable for warmth. This is a jacket in a bag, can also double as a pillow. This jacket is down-filled and has a hood. A change of clothing, socks and undergarments, t-shirts, long sleeve pajamas, 2 pairs of long pants, one is denim. Long pants will protect your legs from fallen trees or walking through debris. Long johns, these items can be layered for warmth. An adult-sized rain poncho. These are some disposable vinyl gloves. A small first aid kit. There are some bandages, some cotton pads, some Q-tips, Advil and Benadryl. If it's recommended that you use prescription drugs, to get some extra and put them in your grab bag as well. Scissors, some tape, some gauze, a first aid and CPR manual on hand. Great reference to have in the case of an emergency and you need to help yourself or someone else out. Hand cleanser can be used instead of using up your supply of water. This is a package of face masks in case the air quality is poor. Now I've noticed some people have recommended to have a roll of toilet paper in your grab bag. They recommend that you remove the cardboard insert so you can make the roll smaller. What I have done is I have a bunch of packages of Kleenex. I find that they take up a little bit less space because they can be compressed. Along with the Kleenex, I have Cottonelle wipes, face wipes, packages of hand wipes, sanitary napkins, children that wear diapers. Each member of the household should have their own grab bag, so you would put some diapers in their grab bag. Body wash, which could also be used to wash your hands. Hand soap, just add water to each one. Laundry soap. Travel size toothbrush, toothpaste, dental floss. Soap packages. This one's shampoo, this one's laundry soap. The more personal care items you have on hand, if you're able to have your own stuff, wear your own clothes, use your own products, you'll feel more comfortable. It'll reduce your anxiety in the event of an incident or an emergency. So this is lip balm, face cream, body cream. I also have travel size makeup. Yeah, I have makeup because as we've noticed from the high-rise building which had a fire and over 1,000 people had to leave their home and they're still out of their homes, the emergency occurred for them, but not everyone else, and they still had to go to work and carry on with life. So if you have some of your personal items, it'll make you, once again, feel less anxious about the whole situation, and you'll be able to cope better with it. Small sewing kit, just a needle and thread, talk about communications, a backup phone charger, a mini radio, battery operated with extra batteries, be able to tune in to any emergency broadcasting or receive any emergency communications, a whistle could be used to alert someone if you're in need, another pair of gloves, safety glasses, earplugs, just extra protection for my eyes and my ears depending on the situation, a utility knife, a bunch of small candles, matches and a good lighter, 2 kinds of battery operated flashlights. One is handheld. This one can be worn on your head, which is great because it's hands-free. Water purification tablets, 1 tablet to 8 to 10 liters of water. This twine can also double as a fire starter. Small charcoal pucks that can be lit to start a fire, keep warm. An extra pair of glasses, pen and paper. I also have some disposable cups, plates, and utensils. Cash in small denominations. It is recommended that each member of the household should have $150. Photocopies of driver's license, health card, birth certificates, bank account numbers are written down, contact telephone numbers. I have copies of the driver's licenses of my family members in case we are separated. So those are the items that I have in my 72-hour kit. If you have small children, it's also recommended that you pack a toy or a stuffed animal or their blanket, something to give them comfort. The whole idea of having a 72-hour emergency preparedness kit is so that you're prepared for an emergency. Yes, it takes time, but it's best to get it done before an emergency happens. I hope this helps you to build your emergency kit. Thanks for watching.